Assalamu alaikum Tarbiyah youngsters. Welcome to another episode of Art Segment. Have you missed me? Because I know you have really missed me. In this segment, we are going to draw with two single numbers. We're going to use number 2 to draw. So with me here, I'm going to start with my marker pen. You can choose any color you want, but preferably black. So we're going to draw 2, then you're gonna give it some space, and then draw another identical 2, and then you're gonna draw something on top, a curved circle, join this one here and this one here, and then you're gonna bring this down. It forms a love shape. Then you're going to connect it to this one, okay? And once you connect, you're gonna draw an eye, a nice eye, and then you put a curve, and then you put this, okay? And then you're gonna make this, you're gonna shed this, and then this, and then you're gonna give your animal nice lashes, and then you're gonna give it a big draw there. And then you're gonna do this again. You're gonna draw the wings here. You're gonna give it a nice shade. Then you're gonna extend this slowly, and then you're gonna continue extending this. Give it a nice branch. Okay. Once you're done, you're gonna give it a leaf. Alafu hapa, you give it a leaf, hivo, and then give it a leaf, a nice leaf, and you'll be done. So we're gonna extend this here. You're gonna give it some shade, and voila, we have a bird. So my bird, I'm gonna write a bird here. Okay, so once we have the bird, we are going to color it, and I'm going to color it with any color I want. So I'm going to use yellow on the body, and after that I'm going to use blue on my wings. Remember to have fun with your coloring. Sorry, and another one over here. And another one over here. And then I'm going to use brown on the tree. And then we're going to use green on the leaves. And we are done. I hope you have enjoyed. This is my little bird over here. So I hope you have enjoyed in this segment and you have understood how to draw this bird. If you haven't understood, you can rewatch this video, go slow by slow in YouTube, and once you're done, you can try it at home. Okay, so with that said, I'm gonna say ma salam.